hear about the distant drummers. Well, Waukesha, I noticed there seemed to be a lot of good companies out in that area. We had, at that time, Amaron was a very busy arms company, hand grenade liners and 20 millimeter shells. Milwaukee Cylinder shook with me, that I could continue doing their work. Well, that turned out to be a bunch of BS. The union found out about it and they said these simply aren't good enough. I said, well, the hell is they were good enough before, and when we started ThermTech, it was really, the economy was midnight, literally midnight. But we started, and then a miracle. One thing that did come a lot easier was I had lots of contact in the industry. Johnson Brass came along and American Iron and Wisconsin Ordnance Company, and fairly quickly, I'd say within 12 months or so, financially, we were clearing it. I wanted to be strictly about a 9-10 man company. That worked out until I got in with Gartland. Mm-hmm. And I had expanded the company just a little bit, and we could accommodate more equipment. I was just looking for a good, steady job out of the area, and I said, we can provide you something that you never could get out before. And what's that? Well, I said, we can do your work overnight. So they gave us a try, and we were doing it overnight. And eventually found out that the best, most expensive plates they made were going to Midland Metal Trading, which had been bought by somebody else. Mm-hmm. And when I saw the amount of work that's going to be coming, if we could get it, I just sat down and drew a picture of a plan for a large furnace.
So you were building all your own?
Oh yeah, for that time we built everything. But we couldn't keep up with them because we needed a lot more capacity. So we went right to work on that. Scotty and myself, I designed it, and he built. He's a great fabricator. My guys learned how to do insulating. We got going with them to the point that as I said, I found out that the juiciest, most expensive work was going to the old company. I asked their manager to come in and have a discussion and meet me at the restaurant here nearby. And I said, I'm ready to make you a proposal. If you give me an exclusive on your work, I says, I'll give you a 15% price reduction. And he called me up and said, you got it. And then I thought, I got it. Now what do I do with it? It was literally, up to 2 or 3 tons a day sometimes would work. And then we were able to get some leeway and expand.
Was there any point where you really sensed that things in the industry were changing rapidly?
To be honest with you, Chuck, I knew the industry was getting away with murder, with lousy control, It showed little knowledge in any of them. I said, we need to be technical. We got to sell ourselves in technical terms. That was the general idea, and that was where they named ThermTech. You just had the feeling it was going to take off, and it did. Almost as soon as I got into business, it started to open up. We went out after it. The same shtick, service. It was always service.